Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the distributive property. We can use the distributive property to help multiply monomials or one term times binomials or something with two terms. So to distribute means to share out. So we're going to share, in this first example here, we're going to share out x to 5 and to y. And the parentheses give us a clue as to what operation we're doing here, and that's multiplication. So we're going to do 5 times x or 5x. And we're going to give the x to the y as well. So x times y, that parentheses means times. And we'll keep our addition sign there. Another example, if we want to multiply another monomial, we'll say m times another variable j minus 6. I'm going to share out my m to both the j and to the 6. So I'll multiply j times m or m times j. The order doesn't matter when we're multiplying. Minus 6m. Now minus m times 6, minus 6 times m, those mean the same thing, but a lot of the times our standard form is written the number and then the variable. If I have to distribute a negative number, negative n times 10 plus x, and then we'll also do negative n times 12 minus x. So for these two examples, when I distribute or share out or multiply my n to both the 10 and to the x, I have negative 10n. Negative n times a positive 10 is a negative number. I usually put my constant or my coefficient first, negative 10 times n times x, or negative nx. Those two things cannot be really combined because they're not like terms. One is n and the other is a different variable of x. Now when I multiply negative n or distribute negative n to the 12 and to the negative x, when I distribute the negative n to 12, I have negative 12n. And when I distribute or share out that negative n to the negative x, a negative times a negative is a positive nx or xn. The order does not matter there. Let's do one more of those negative examples. So if I have negative y times, I'll put a number or a constant second this time, negative y times z minus 4. If I share out that negative y times z, negative yz, negative y times negative 4, negative times negative is positive or plus 4y. And that's a little introduction to the distributive property.